How to get a divorce in New Zealand. Ending a marriage is never easy, but navigating the legal process in a clear, informed way can make a difficult transition smoother and less overwhelming. Whether you're a New Zealand citizen or an expat living in Aotearoa, understanding the divorce process is the first step toward reclaiming your peace of mind and beginning a new chapter. In New Zealand, the legal term for divorce is dissolution of marriage. Unlike some jurisdictions, the process is relatively straightforward and designed to be accessible without necessarily involving a lawyer. The family court handles all divorce applications, and both same-sex and opposite-sex marriages are treated equally under the law. To apply for a divorce in New Zealand, you or your spouse must be living in the country and be legally married. The law requires you to be separated for at least 2 continuous years before you can file for dissolution. This separation doesn't require court orders, just a clear and mutual understanding that the marriage has ended. There are 2 types of applications, joint and sole. A joint application is filed together by both spouses and tends to be faster and less confrontational. A sole application is filed by one spouse alone, and in that case, the other party must be served legal notice. To begin, download the application forms from the New Zealand Ministry of Justice website. If you have children, you'll need to confirm that appropriate arrangements are in place for their care. The cost to file is NZD $211, though fee waivers may apply in certain circumstances. You can lodge your application either online through the Family Court's digital portal or in person at your nearest family court registry. Once your application is reviewed and approved, the court will issue a dissolution order. If you've applied jointly, it's often granted without a court appearance. In sole applications, a short hearing may be scheduled. After the order is made, your divorce becomes final 1 month later, unless the court shortens this period. For expats, additional documents may be required to prove residency or marriage validity. If your marriage certificate is in another language, a certified translation will be necessary. Remember, divorce only ends the legal marriage. Property division, custody, and financial support are handled separately and may require legal advice. So, whether you're a Kiwi or an expat preparing for a life change, are you taking the right legal steps toward a new beginning?